Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook instant oatmeal. First, grab your preferred instant oatmeal packet. You will also need exactly 1/2 cup of liquid, either water or milk, depending on your taste. Make sure you have a microwave-safe bowl and a spoon ready for mixing. It is important to have all your ingredients and tools at hand before you begin the cooking process. Now, open your instant oatmeal packet and pour the contents into the microwave-safe bowl. Next, carefully measure out precisely 1/2 cup of your chosen liquid, whether that is water or milk. Pour this liquid directly over the dry oatmeal in the bowl. Gently stir the mixture for a few seconds, making sure all the oat flakes are thoroughly moistened and submerged before proceeding to the next step. Carefully place your bowl with the oatmeal mixture into the center of your microwave. Close the door firmly and set your microwave to cook on high power for approximately 1 minute to 1 minute 15 seconds. Keep a close eye on the oatmeal as it heats, as it can sometimes bubble up and overflow if left unattended. Remember, cooking times can vary by about 15 seconds depending on your specific microwave's power level. Once the cooking cycle finishes, carefully remove the hot bowl from the microwave, using oven mitts if necessary. Do not stir immediately. Instead, let the oatmeal rest for about 60 seconds. This brief resting period is crucial, allowing the oats to continue absorbing the liquid and thicken to a creamy consistency. After the rest, give it a good stir to evenly distribute the heat and achieve that perfect texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.